In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your render application. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Namecheap account and your render application. And once you're logged into your render application, this is what your workspace should look like. Now you're going to find the service that you want to connect your Namecheap domain to, and you're going to click that. Once you click it, on the left sidebar, you're going to come to settings. And on the settings, you're going to scroll down until you see custom domain. You're going to click on add custom domain, and now you're going to go to your Namecheap account. You're going to go to domain list. On the domain list, you're going to look for the domain that you want to add to your render account. You're going to copy it, and you're going to go to render, and you're going to paste it in render. Click on save. Now render is going to give you some instructions to add some records to your Namecheap account. So once you're done, you're going to go to your Namecheap account and you're going to click on manage for the domain. And once you're here, you're going to go to advanced DNS. Under advanced DNS, you're going to want to add a record here. So you're going to click on add new record and you're going to go back to render. Render says to add an A name or alias record pointed to this, and if your DNS does not support A name, you can add an A record and point to this IP. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the add new record. We're going to click on an A record and we're going to change it to this IP. And for here, we're going to choose the roots directory and we're going to click on save. Now we're going to do the same for the CNAME record that's also requiring here. And we're going to point to www and to this link. So we're going to go to add new record. It's a CNAME record. The host is going to be www and the target is going to be the render link, and we're going to click on save. Now once all these have been saved, you're going to come to render and you're going to verify. And it's going to take a while for the verification to happen because it takes 24 to 48 hours for this propagations to take effect. But once you're done with this, see it's verified. Once you're done with this, it should be good to go. And that's how you add Namecheap domain to render. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.